Friends, today we are with the supremely talented Sona Mahapatra in an exclusive chat with us on Bollywood Now. So let's find out from Sona as to how her journey has been from when she started till today.
Till Purani Jeans.
Till Purani Jeans.
Yeah.
Okay. So firstly, let's discuss about your name. You have an interesting name. So can you just tell us what does it mean?
It's the most commonplace name, I would think. Because I have grown up with everybody asking me, is it your real name? Yes, it's my real name. But you must be having another name. No, it's my real and only name.
To filmy naam?
Not really filmy. I think we are three sisters. And पहले का नाम मधुमिता था. We are Mona Sonatina. Second one, they lost interest and got tired, I think. And so they didn't keep her second name. And then the third, they again got interested. It was the last kid in the house. Pratichi naam diya. Very boring family story. But yeah, I think the middle child is always the ignored one.
Okay.
And goes to fend for themselves and ends up being a much more feisty, independent character. And I'm giving myself all the credit.
This is the next, that is Purani Jeans, in terms of your voice, which is there. So you have sung one song in this movie,
Yes.
and that has also been sung by KK.
Yes.
Right. So did you sing a duet, or
No.
how was it?
Actually, KK has sung one version of it. I hadn't heard it, fortunately. I was traveling a lot this season on concerts with my band. And then I landed up one day and Ram said, the soundtrack is getting done and he's very happy. It's romantic. It's from a different space. And I, in fact, heard a song called Jind Meri Hai, which really made me weep. Navraj Hansa sung it beautifully. And फिर वो हर artist की एक लालच होती है. I also want to sing a song. I said, how come there's no song for a woman in this? And he was like, but there isn't. And I said, but let's make it. So, but luckily for us, there was a beautiful scene in the film which inspired the song, because Ram said there's this beautiful scene between the lead pair when, they get together for the first time, and there's this beautiful love-making scene, and we can do something there. So I said, it's interesting for an artist to get a context of the film and then deliver a take. So it's not a generic, let's make a promotional song thing. It came inspired from the film. And yeah, I think I did my own take on the song. It's very simple. It's the kind of music I love. It's got a lot of soul. There's not much of vanity. I'm not trying to do too much. इतने सारे मुर्कियाँ नहीं डाल रही हूँ उसमें. But at the same time, what really makes it special is the team loved it. The director, Tanushi Basu, loved it. And they decided to create a vehicle for the song in the form of a music video, which features me, which is really special again, because there's a certain honesty and authenticity to have artists sing their own song. So while I might be making grimaces and not looking as pretty as an actor would, but I'm actually performing the song. So in a sense, it gives the audience a taste of what an artist does on stage and actually when they sing. So I think it's a lovely little film which had a lot of scope for some really simple melodies and like songs. An era where we grew up, when in the 90s, where you had KK singing a pal, you had a voice like Mohit Chauhan, which was so special. He had a band called Silk Route. You had Ram himself. Ram Sampath, very few people know, has been the creator-composer of one of Shan's biggest hits, Tanha Dil, Bhool Ja, all his earlier material. Those 3 albums were Ram's. And it gave a chance for Ram to revisit that era of music and create music for Purani Jeans. And I, of course, get a beautiful song, because it's not the kind of song people associate me with. They think आवाज़ में खराश है तो शायद सिर्फ फोक या धूम धड़ाके एक टाइप के गाने का, या सेमी क्लासिकल सा. तो मैं जिया लगाना, आई हैव संग जिया लगाना इन तलाश, बेदर्दी राजा इन दिल्ली बेली, अंबर सरिया इन फुकरे. So it's a certain zone. And interestingly, Dil Aajkal is a complete contrast to all of that. So it gives me a chance to showcase a range. So I feel really thrilled about it.
Okay. Yeah. So for the audience, just 2 lines.
दिल आजकल मेरी सुनता नहीं, दिल आजकल पास रहता नहीं, दिल आजकल मेरी सुनता नहीं, दिल आजकल पास रहता नहीं, ये तुझसे ही मिलने को चाहे, ये तेरी ही करता है बातें, क्या तुम हो वही क्या तुम हो वही दिल आजकल मेरी सुनता नहीं.
Lovely. So hope that it's a bigger hit than your previous one, that's Ambar Sariya.
I'm just happy to have a great song. The hits are for the people to do, but I'm really happy to sing a song which represents me even as a personality, as a artist. So yeah, I hope to get many more such songs.
And what are your future projects? That was the next.
Oh, the future projects is a very dicey question because in this little field we like to keep it to ourselves. You want to protect it. Nazar na lage.
Wish you all the best for the song and hope that we have many more chartbusters to come from you.
Thank you so much. Been a pleasure sharing my story.
So friends, this was the gorgeous singer. In fact, songstress Sona Mahapatra exclusive on Bollywood Now. In Mumbai with cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is SK Day signing off for Bollywood Now.